Chromo man found alive after spending night in blizzard conditions. Chromo man, Chromo is over there in Archuleta County. Archuleta County is on the edge of Conejos County, so that's why this is a Conejos County Sheriff's Office story. So this is fantastic. There's a 72-year-old man that got caught in a blizzard. I don't know his name. It's a courtesy photo since somebody donated it, but a snowcat. That's a snowcat right there. It was used to locate the 72-year-old. Chromo is a town in Archuleta County. That one commissioner is from Chromo, like Chromo Magnum Man. Bring him to an ambulance after spending the night in blizzard conditions in the Trujillo Meadows area, the Conejos County Sheriff's Office reported. February 15th, Trujillo Meadows area of the La Manga Pass after being caught in blizzard, spending the night outside. If I wish to see more, subscribe now. Why do you make me do shit? Let's see here. 84-year-old temperature. Record broken in Colorado on frigid day. Grilly woman sentenced to life in prison for murder. Look, we wouldn't do this. Ryan Reynolds reveals his home has become a zoo after he welcomed his fourth child. The bizarre attractions road trip around Colorado. What am I doing? I'm reading different. Let's see, local. Conejos Writer Circle captures the craft of memoir. Let's see what that's about. Let's see. Enjoying the articles. If you wish to watch the short video or subscribe. There is no short video. I'm tired of the lies. The Circle Book, a Conejos County Anthology 2022. Conejos Writer Circle, a group of dedicated local scribes who began meeting in 2010, continues to this day. The circle is comprised of locals who enjoy the art and essence of writing. I'm a pretty good writer. I would either fit right in, or people that already are in the damn circle will be jealous. What? But we've all been friends for a while. I don't really know you. It's kind of how life works, isn't it? Okay, let's see. What is this? Record broken. A warmer weekend is around the corner, but most Coloradans woke up to frigid temperatures on Friday morning. In at least one case, a record-breaking chill. Negative 24 degrees in Alamosa. Damn. Negative 24 degrees in Alamosa on February 17th, breaking the daily low temperature record of negative 18 that stood. There's a creepy motherfucker that drove by my fucking. That was. Why are creepy motherfuckers keep on. It's negative 24 degrees, I know. Let's go stalk old John boy. We gotta get that stalking train. Remember that stalking train we've been doing? Breaking a daily low temperature record of negative 18 that stood since 1939. 1939. The large mountains work to trap cold air. Let's see here. The legend of Colorado's Crystal Skull. No, that's... Damn. They said there's 4 siblings that need help after their parents die in a domestic violence shooting. Denver. Man, that's just like the party of 5, but the party of 4. Rally at Colorado Capitol calls for defense of black Colorado ranchers. There you go. Courtney and Nicole Mallory. Let's see here. High wind warning. 80 miles per hour wind gust expected to rip through parts of Colorado. Fantastic, huh? Negative 24 fucking degrees, huh? It's cold. It's frozen. Everything. And then on top of it, motherfuckers all over. Then poor Robert Thrash. Robert Thrash has to deal with all the fucking elements in the world. And on top of it, trying to make a living for himself. And he's going to get in trouble for enforcing the court's will. Well, he was enforcing the court's will. The watch will go into effect on Sunday evening and will continue through midnight on Monday. During the watch, the NWS is predicting wind speeds between 30 and 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Mainly to transportation, strong crosswinds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor trailers. Another high wind issued northern Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Pikes Peak, Teller County. What the hell? Yep, going to get some wind burst too. And the wind burst. Adams State gives day raises 123,000 so far. 72-year-old skier gets lost overnight during blizzard in back country out there, Colorado. Tamara Twitty, 72-year-old cross-country skier. So we get the story of what actually happened. He's rescued Wednesday morning after spending the night lost in the Colorado wilderness during a blizzard. The skier identified as Carrie M. Bear, Chromo, activated an SOS signal on his GPS device. Nice, at 8:20 p.m. Tuesday. He was reportedly skiing in the backcountry near the Trujillo Meadows area of La Manga Pass, which is around 5 miles west of Colorado Highway 17, when blizzard conditions hit. Conejos County Sheriff Garth Crowther and Under Sheriff Blake Crowther responded to the area of the signal and were able... I wonder if they're related, Blake and Garth. I bet you they're related. Responded to the area of the signal and were able to find Bear's vacant truck at the Trujillo Meadows Reservoir turnoff. Due to the blizzard conditions and poor visibility, the decision was made to leave the area and return early the following morning. The sheriff and undersheriff returned on Thursday morning with officers from the U.S. Force. Wow. Yeah, I guess it's getting colder and colder and darker. But basically, you're like, good luck, old man. The sheriff and undersheriff returned on Thursday morning with officers from the U.S. Forest Service. The team conducted a search using snowmobiles and a snowcat from the Conejos County Search and Rescue Team. The skier was located that morning at the coordinates that his SOS signal had provided. Man, they should have, like, goddamn... run on Facebook fucking live or have, videotape all this. This is interesting. This would be good propaganda to say that the sheriff's office, we are out here protecting and serving you. Bear was found by officers in a yurt, but reported he had been outside in the elements all night. He was wet, cold, and on the verge of hypothermia. When he was found, Mr. Bear was brought out in the snowcat to an awaiting ambulance that transported him to the Conejos County Hospital. No further information regarding the skier's condition has been made available. Whenever you enter the backcountry, it's vital for you to check local weather alerts, especially because search and rescue crews may not be able to safely enter the field in emergency if conditions are too dangerous. In situations like this one, having devices to call for help, such as a Garmin InReach or Spot, SPOT device, can be life-saving. So damn, hopefully Carrie M. Bale survives. Where is this? La Manga Pass, Trujillo Meadows area. La Manga Pass. Let's see here. Any other news? Let's see here. Here's something. Chaffee County community mourns the loss of the young Marine. R.I.P. to the young Marine. I wonder what he died of. We'll end it off with that.